Friday night, the Marshfield Fair hosts its annual Demolition Derby competition. Hundreds of people packed the grandstands at the Marshfield Fairgrounds to watch about a dozen or so beat-up cars crash into each other and cause quite the demolition.
I have mixed feelings about it. It's a lesson in sociology.
Why is that?
There's lots of different people.
And you're here with your kids?
Here are my two kids. They're right over there, entranced with this, with the metal and the smell.
What's your favorite part?
When the cars crash and get on fire.
When they crash and make fire? Have you seen it before? Is this the first time?
I've seen it before.
And do you like the Demolition Derby?
Yes.
What's your favorite part?
When the cars crash.
So you just saw the Demolition Derby?
Yes.
What's your favorite part about it?
I'm not sure. I like the whole thing.
Like seeing all the cars smashed together? And what do you like about it?
Seeing his face.
Do you guys come every year?
Every year we've come how long?
I don't know. I can't remember.
Probably like 7 years. Yeah, we've been coming for a long time.
Did you have a favorite car or anything?
Yeah, we like that last car, number 161.
Was it the winner?
The winner, yeah.
The Marshfield Fair will be hosting another Demolition Derby on Thursday, August 23rd at 6:30 p.m. The Demolition Derby Finals will be held next Friday night, August 24th, also at 6:30 p.m. This is Stephanie Chason for the Patriot Ledger. For more coverage on the Marshfield Fair, check out our website at www.patriotledger.com.